Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, so Flutter Doctor has something to check. First, install the Flutter SDK and add it to your path, then run Flutter version to confirm. Next, install Android SDK or Xcode command line tools as needed, because Flutter Doctor flags missing platform tooling. Once done, enable developer mode on your device and connect it with USB so Flutter can list devices. These first steps give Flutter Doctor the context it needs to diagnose the rest. You now act on Flutter Doctor output line by line. Prioritize errors over warnings because they block builds. For missing SDK components, install Android SDK platform tools or the specific API level. For IDE issues, install Flutter and Dart plugins in Android Studio. If licenses are flagged, run Flutter Doctor Android licenses and accept also builds can proceed. Make sure to restart your terminal or IDE after install so path changes and plugins load properly. You finish by rerunning Flutter Doctor and confirming all errors are resolved. Repeat installs as needed until only green checks remain. If problems persist, run Flutter Doctor V to inspect verbose logs and spot hidden path or permission issues. When a project still fails, use Flutter Clean and FlutterPub cache repair to clear corrupted artifacts and restart your machine. One key tip: if Flutter Doctor reports permission denied, run the failing command with elevated privileges or fix folder ownership. This usually resolves stubborn setup errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.